In our previous lesson, you have learned that heat energy transferred from one substance to another by conduction in solid, convection in liquid and gases, and radiation in an empty space. Before we proceed to our next topic, I want to know if you still remember our lesson last week. Identify how heat is transferred in each situation. Boiling water, conduction, convection, or radiation. That's right, convection. Ironing clothes. Very good, conduction. Staying under the sun. That's right, radiation. Next, using heater to keep the room warm. Yes, convection. How about placing a metal spoon in a glass of hot water? That's right, conduction. Okay, do you get the right answer? Very good. Let us now proceed to Module 5, taking a straight and loud travel. Light is a form of energy that is made up of a very tiny particles called photons. It is the fastest thing that moves in the universe. It travels at the speed of about 300,000 kilometers per second in a vacuum in the form of electromagnetic waves. It changes its speed when it passes through different materials like air and water. Now, let's find out how does light travel by doing activity 1. These are what you need in this activity. Flashlight, 3 pieces of cardboard with hole, and 1 piece of cardboard without hole. Bring all the materials into a dark room. The holes should be aligned in such a way that the wall can be seen through the holes. Switch on the flashlight and focus its light through the holes. Ask your partner to block the path of lights with cardboard without a hole. Now, let your partner misalign the middle cardboard with hole. Observe what happens. Okay, to further understand the activity, let us try to answer the guide questions. 1. What happened to the light when you focused it on the wall without blockage or obstruction? Yes, as we have observed, the light passed through the holes of the cardboards to the wall. 2. When you blocked the light with cardboard, was the light able to pass through it? Why? The answer is no. Light always travels in straight line. When we block its path, the light rays stops. 3. When you align the cardboard with holes, was the light able to pass through it? Yes, when the hole of the cardboards are aligned, there would be no blockage and the light rays can pass through it. When one of the cardboards are not aligned with the other cardboards, was the light able to pass through the other cardboards? Why? The answer is no. The cardboard that was not aligned with the other will block the light rays. 5. What can you say about the way light travels? Light always travels in a straight line. For activity number 2, hear me. Describe how sound travels in solid, liquid, and gas materials. To do this activity, you need 3 ice plastic bags, sand, water, and air. Half fill the first plastic bag with sand, the second with water, and the third with air. Okay, place your air on top of the sand. Water, air, In which medium does the sound loudest? Okay, how about this one? Okay, based on the activity, let's try to answer the guide questions. Did she hear the sound when someone tapped the table? Yes. In which medium does the sound loudest? Right, she heard the loudest sound in the sand. What could be the reason behind it? That's right, it is because sound travels fastest through solids, slower through liquids, and slowest in gases. Sound is a form of energy that we hear that is produced by vibrating objects. When force is applied to an object, its molecules vibrate. The sound produced by vibration is carried to our ear by a medium like air, water, or any solid materials. Because sound cannot travel in an empty space, it cannot travel without any medium. Activity 3. Finding. Hunt the words or terms that are related to sound. 1. Blank travels through different materials. Yes, the answer is sound. 2. When objects make sound, they move back and forth. This movement is called blank. That's right, that is vibration. 3. Sound travels blank through solids than blank and gases. Right, the answer is fast and liquids. 4. Sound travels the blank through gases because the particles of blank are farthest apart. Yes, the answer is slowest and gases. 5. The particles of matters are very close to each other. The sound wave passes quickly. This is observed in blank materials. The right answer is solid. For activity 4, use an illustration, model, to explain how sound travels through different materials. Okay, now let's check your understanding. Write whether the statement is true or false. 1. Light always travels in a straight line. 2. Light rays cannot be blocked and they can pass through all types of materials since they travel on a straight line. 3. Sound travels faster in gases than in solids. Now, check your answer. Do you get all the numbers right? Okay, you can now answer the post test. Enjoy learning!